In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp web shortcut on Google Chrome. And there is two methods, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So the first method is open your Google Chrome and then you can go to your web WhatsApp web. After that, you can go to your three dots here in the top right corner and then you can click bookmarks and list and then you can click bookmark this tab. And you can choose the name and then I will just click done here and the shortcut is here, so you can just click it and it will brings you to WhatsApp web. And the second method is you can open new tab and then as you can see there is add shortcut here, you can click it and then you can copy the link and then you can paste the link in this URL form and then you can choose the name WhatsApp web and just click done here and it will appear here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.